Okay, so for today, I picked up a another $30 Missouri lottery. This one is 15 prizes from 1 million to 10 million. Wow. 300 million cash explosion. 3 1 million second chance drawings went up to $10 million. How wouldn't that be nice? So for this one, I think it's going to be just like most of the others. Match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers when the prize shown. Reveal a bill symbol when the prize automatically. Reveal 2 times when 2 times the prize. Reveal it 10 times when 10 times the prize. Reveal a star when $500 instantly. Reveal cash and win all 30 prizes. Wow. So ideally, we want the cash symbol. Okay, so let's see what our numbers are. 15, 53, 38, 41, 50, 33, 5, 56, 46, and 9. Okay, that seems like a pretty good spread. Would like to have seen some more 20s in there, but who knows? I mean, these may be perfect, so can't complain until after it's done, right? 49, 46, and 50. 24. Gosh. So tell me below in the comments if you play scratchers a lot. Do you just play the dollar scratchers? And if so, how often do you win? Because, I've made that comment before that it's my theory that the lower priced scratchers is a pool fund to pay for these larger prizes. And so my theory is that you win more by going ahead and buying these larger tickets. So 3. But who knows? That's just an opinion. 13. 14. Wow, that's weird. So 20. 58. Oh, that was a 38 up there. Scared me there for a second. 48. 25. No. 57. 56. Gosh, it's every time I play, the numbers just dance around. Does that happen to you too? It's like one above, one below. 42 and 41 is our winning number. 35, 33. So nothing so far. 23. 27. 59. No. 29. Yeah, see, I was wanting to see some more numbers in the 20s. Maybe I jinxed it. 31. That was a 41. 32. 50. Oh, we won. Look, 50. 50 and 50. Huh. Cool. Okay. So 45. No, that was a 46 up there. 7. Which was a 9. 30. And that was a 50 up there. 44. No. 4. Which was a 5 up there. 52. No. 1. 39 and 38. 40. 43. No. And 56. Oh, 56. Look, 56. Huh. So we went on to the numbers. 50. Where's our 50 at? Right there. And 56. So let's see what we won. Let's do number 51st. $40. So, all right, so far it's a $10 profit. So everything else is just an extra bonus. Extra because we're already $10 ahead. So the next one is 56, correct? Here we go. $20. So I doubled my money. Cool. And that is how that goes. So this was I don't think we have any other chances. So I don't know how you can get into a second chance drawing. So I will have to read on the back for that one. But definitely worth it.